Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact hardware and software environment. This matters because drivers and SDK calls differ. Once done, enroll 5 to 10 clear samples at varied angles and pressure to build a resilient template, and make sure logs and SDK access are enabled so you can trace failures. You should also back up the original template before making changes. This protects you if an update corrupts data. Now move to calibration and parameter tuning. You now calibrate thresholds to balance false accept and false reject rates, using ROC curves to pick operating points. Next, implement preprocessing. Normalize intensity, denoise, increase contrast, and align landmarks so comparisons are consistent. This reduces variation dramatically. Once preprocessing is stable, test on a holdout set and compute FRR, FAR, and EAR. Iterate parameters while tracking which change affects which metric. Make small, isolated tweaks. You finish by deploying in stages, starting with 5 to 10% of users, while monitoring logs and biometric drift daily to catch regressions early. Make sure a secure fallback like PIN or token exists, and that templates are rotated and stored with AES 256 encryption to meet security needs. If users hit persistent rejections, recalibrate thresholds, or require targeted re-enrollment. Often re-enrolling with more varied samples resolves over 10% FRR. If problems persist, check sensor calibration and environmental factors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.